Danke bafowethu. So sokuvelile ukuthi ugoalkeeper Orlando Pirates uSipho Shane so banegotiate naye i-new deal. So i-new deal yakhona ngathi izoqala ngoJuly 2025 iphele ngo-2028 June yabo. So i-Orlando Pirates vele kubalulekile ukuthi imkhiphe uSipho Shane ngoba uSipho sekaziprovile ngempela ukuthi is one of the best South African goalkeepers at the moment, nanokuthi u-improve kakhulu since ajoyine Orlando Pirates yabona ukuthi asamente ispace sakhe as the number one spot ku-Orlando Pirates, nanokuthi Orlando Pirates they don't have to worry about tobo goalkeeper anymore njengoba uSipho ekhona futhi evimba kahle kakhulu. Lo Sipho-ke u-offer i-contract lekuthiwa ye-3 years. I-management or i-agent kaSipho uGary bakuvezile nabo esayidini labo ukuthi ayibajabule ngale contract leni Orlando Pirates ba-offere yona ngoba ingcono noma i-improved from le contract le uSipho wayithola meqeda ukujoyina Orlando Pirates esuka ku-Chippa United. So kusho ukuthi for bone appreciation nje ye-Orlando Pirates to i-player ukuthi mfana so udlale kahle kakhulu for the past few seasons, especially this season you've been one of the standout players for the team. So i-appreciation nanokuthi bam-offere le contract le way better than le beyithola yabo. So Orlando Pirates-ke akusiyena uSipho Shane kuphela ugoalkeeper, khona i-second option yakhe uButhelezi, but uButhelezi uye unumber 2 and then after uButhelezi khona ngathi ogoalkeeper abawu-2 khona nalabo bampromote from i-DDC, but Orlando Pirates they're looking to ukulona abafana noma lo goalkeeper lwabaqeda kumpromoter from i-DDC ukuthi bakwazi ukumlona uthole i-game time somewhere because the way izinto zingakhona uSipho Shane kuyi-number 1 and then uButhelezi ku-number 2 ngathi vele umfana ngeke ayithole i-game time ngempela. But-ke sobona ukuthi laba bazobalonela kuphi. But-ke mina I would like to say congratulations to Sipho for getting a new deal with Orlando Pirates. Obviously-ke the deal it's 3 years lena i-offeriwe. It hasn't been super confirmed ukuthi okay the deal is sealed, but the insiders spoke to Isokhala Duma and confirmed that the deal is good as done yabo, because all the parties bajabule ngempela ukuthi bathole le deal le ku-Orlando Pirates. Akekho umuntu ocomplainayo, but sobona ukuthi in the next few days bazo-announce na i-Orlando Pirates noma bazoyiconcluda kanjani le deal lena abakhuluma ngayo kaSipho. uSipho-ke this season has been one of the goalkeepers for Bafana Bafana, one of the standout players. Njalo uma kuyi-national team bayi-announce siyazi ukuthi uye. So uSipho Shane compete no-Ronwen Williams. uRonwen Williams is a highly experienced Bafana Bafana goalkeeper. I think kuzoba nzima ukuthi amreplace laphana kuBafana Bafana, but it's just ukuthi uSipho abe kuBafana Bafana njalo lokho kuyabonisa ukuthi hayi impela uSipho strong kakhulu this season, nanokuthi uyalwa, nanokuthi is one of the best South African goalkeepers at the moment njengoba bengishilo ekuqaleni yabo. Crucially uyisavile Orlando Pirates a few times ku-CAF Champions League naselikini bokukhona la ubona ukuthi Orlando Pirates i-defense yakhona ishake nanokuthi ayenzi izinto kahle going forward, but-ke ngoba uSipho wayekhona epalini wayekwazi ukulivala noma ulifihla ihlazo le-Orlando Pirates defense. Maningi kakhulu amagame la Orlando Pirates im-expose ababe one on one naye but akwazi ukulivimba. Khona le game le MC Alger angazi ukuthi uvimba ama-chance ama-clear chances ayi-4, so uye i-different maker vele i-difference maker at the back as i-last man just before the polls. Yeah, wenze kahle kakhulu, wenza kahle kakhulu this season. Mina ngithanda nje ukumcongratulate ngokuthi Orlando Pirates imnikile ama-chance, naye ngithanda nje ukuthi shout out to yena nale uyavimba ngakhona this season na-contribute ngakhona, cause mefika or meqeda ukufika I didn't think that much of him ukuthi angakwazi ukucontribute to this high level, but sekaziprovile nje i-Africa yonke ukuthi yeah is one of the best. Ngicabanga ukuthi Orlando Pirates im-offer i-contract ngoba iyabona ukuthi eyi lo muntu lo njengoba evimba kanje kusho ukuthi maningi ama-team manje ambhekile yabona, so sooner or later vele khona ama-team azokhokhoba azama ukukhuluma naye eceleni, so they would rather just give him i-contract manje before ba-regret ekugcineni ukuthi ngabe simnika i-contract but asimnika nge-contract. Danko bafowethu.